make sense, or?
Yeah, the center support bolt came loose the second time after I torqued it. So I put a longer one in and I put Loctite on it.
Where's it go?
This goes into the center support in the middle of the tranny.
Okay, well, there's one holds the transfer case or something, right?
Yeah.
And then the...
No, it's inside the tranny.
Oh, inside the tranny?
Yeah.
Oh, so it wasn't outside. Oh, okay. So it's just a fluke, right?
I had it under torque and it came loose.
Oh, okay.
Well,
that's cool. So it's not like I'm thinking I'm doing hole shots or something in it.
Well, no. It makes me wonder why though. I mean, it ain't coming loose now.
Okay.
Because I got found a longer one and I put Loctite on it. It's tighter than hell. Because I'm not doing this again. Yeah. I'm not doing it again. Yeah. I'm not. Okay. You know, I'm not doing it because I just got done with it and I know how to do these.
So internet, I'm gonna pull the pan off. I'm gonna weld a little, I'm gonna weld a little, a bung on there, I guess you call it, so I can hook up a temperature thermostat here.